in low Earth orbit. The International Space Station has served humanity well, but it will not operate forever. The transition to commercial stations must be thoughtful and set up industry for success. Today, we will review a bit of the history of the International Space Station, NASA's
All right. Right.
Bit of a drop there, huh?
A little bit. Oh, there's somebody in general chat that needs a link for the free trial. Can you get that? What's up, Red Wine?
Didn't I pin that? I thought it was pinned.
Dan, is Dan in? Seems like Dan's having an issue.
No, that was yesterday.
Is he fixed?
That was yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay, what?
Trying to figure out how to copy this. So, you know what? I'll just do it this way.
Use a fax machine.
That's true. Fax machines work.
Who the hell uses a fax machine anymore?
Oh,
When I was in
what?
when I was in Georgia, I was talking to my mom. She wanted me to hook that fax machine back up after that internet issue. I was like, why? Why?
Why?
Why? Well, I might need to fax something. I was like, no, you don't.
No.
No, you don't. You faxing Toledo or something?
Different chat. Where's that person that needed help? I don't see it.
John Riley? What's the guy's name?
Where? Oh, how can I take the 7-day trial?
Yeah,
Okay.
there you go. Person.
How do you reply to this?
I think just hover over it and hit reply. All right, they're talking about creating a permanent base on the moon.
Permanent base on the moon. Why? What's the purpose of?
I don't know. Exploration, man.
For what? The moon?
I don't know.
Something there.
You don't know that. What if aliens do exist? There might be something there.
Oh, are they hiding on the dark side of the moon?
Maybe. Or if they're that advanced, they could probably have pretty good cloaking technology.
Oh. Okay. Were they Klingons?
I don't know, man.
Malaysia. Who is calling me from Malaysia?
Oh, I signed you up for a free giveaway.
For a dating service in Malaysia?
Yes. No, a flight in the airline.
I'll be answering that call. Malaysia. All right. What do we got? A little push up the drop. Looks like what do we want to see here? I'm in a support area on ES. Could get a bounce out of here. I mean, not ES, excuse me, NQ. ES looks like it's just gonna bust a Globex low and go, doesn't it?
I don't.
Is that what you're seeing?
No.
No? That's what I'm seeing.
I'm seeing that it could bounce off that and turn around and reverse.
They're gonna retrace that news move up yesterday at some point.
I don't know. Well, yeah, at some point in the future, but I still think we should be shorting
Well,
it.
they're halfway back. If you're a FIB guy, you got a 50% retracement. Go long. Yeah, I think looking for the shorts is the
Smart thing.
way to go. Yeah, way to go for sure. Let me go refill my coffee real quick before the open. Right back.
Ugh. Where's that? Okay. Let's see here. All right, so I think we're looking for a pullback or a rally for shorts here on the top three. Maybe that's a bigger long setup happening. The only one I think I'd feel comfortable taking it on would be RTY though. Maybe. I feel like if we did RTY just above the structure, we could at least get targets off. 6C nada, GC nada, CL nada, no swings, no trading. There you go. There's my analysis. Really, really in depth
Some pretty
today.
technical analysis there.
Gotcha. I mean, we gotta have swings to trade it. I mean, there's no swings, no trading. No trading, no swingy. Nothing's giving us swings right now, so no trades. No trades for you. No trades for you.
No face for you.
Not so for you.
Where's
Do we want to short this? This little thing right here?
what? Yes. Oof. Just 2 minutes before the open. A minute, 2 minutes before the open.
It looks like it. All right. We'll wait.
I'm just scared of the pop up at the open. I mean, but you probably can get targets off before then. Oh, there you go. You would have had it. We did the right thing. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with waiting on it.
I got all day, man.
Yep.
Got all day. I'm not in a rush to get this done today. I'll chill here. Then I'll take a break. I'll chill here until I get my trading done. Game was fun yesterday.
Yeah, how'd that go? That was cool, huh?
Yeah.
I've never been to a spring training game.
It was just so much closer.
Yeah, they're very more laid back, right?
Yeah. So much
Feels
closer
more
to the
like
athletes.
going to like a high school game or something.
Yeah, except for your got Ronald Acuna Jr. talking to you directly through the
Correct.
fence.
That's cool.
Yeah, they had all the starters in up until the 7th inning. Then they pulled them all and we left. I mean, literally, they had all their starters in. So it was basically the entire Braves team that we watched. Yeah. Which we figured it would be that way. That's why we wanted to make sure we made it.
All right, here we go.
Nice, Tom.
Second. What time did? Oh yeah, no, I saw it yesterday. Congrats.
Nice job, Tom. Keep that up. There. Ooh, GC dumped.
There we go. There's the pop up.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it come for you? Let's see here. If it breaks these lows, we gotta start thinking breakout short because there's some room to run on that short side if it gets down there and breaks those lows.
Yeah.
There's some good room to run too, man. But this should be. I think we hit support here for the day. Let's see.
I got some support. I got some strong support here on NQ. So
I think so too. I think we're pretty much in support. So
we will see.
That's what I'm saying. If it breaks these lows, we need to really think on a
Yeah,
breakout trade.
jump on, huh?
Yes, jump on that train. Let's see. Make sure I'm in micro, MEQ ATM, MES ATM. But it should pop up. I would think we should be maybe thinking on the long side, but I don't like. I don't. This isn't the kind of price action we should be trading, though. I don't think. I mean, I think we'd have to be above. Yeah, we're just not gonna get a good trade out of this crap. Just wait. Be patient. Talk
Gotta
about.
wait. Yeah, so we just gotta wait.
Mission profile. In preparations, we're watching closely the development of both lander systems. The Starship flight test number 12, we anticipate happening in April, hopefully. No earlier than, but hopefully in April. Will be the first flight of their version 3, which is a major step towards the lunar landing capability. The Blue Origin, Mark 1, which is their predecessor to the Mark 2 human lander. They've invested a great deal in the Mark 1 lander and anticipate launching that within a few months. Very excited. It's going to be flying one of Nikki's CLIPS payloads. And we'll be watching. There's a lot of systems needed for the human lander.
Oh no!
Back in the fall of 2025,
Knocking things over.
began working with both of the providers to accelerate the human landing to 2028.
Wow, what you gonna do here?
Accelerated landers are what we'll be using
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it's coming for you?
by down the list. Have the next slide, please. So as soon as the administrator made his announcement, we began actively assessing the specifics of the mission profile and the objectives that can be addressed in
Oh,
this
God.
mission. The new mission will endeavor to include a rendezvous and docking with one or both commercial landers, as I said, from SpaceX and Blue Origin. It will include in-space tests of the docked vehicles, an integrated checkout of life support, the docked vehicles, the communications, and the propulsion systems. We also really hope to be able to include the new
All right.
extravehicular activity suits.
That
This
long
is,
out of support should have
huh?
been. Looks like. So that long out of support would have been nice down below.
Flight after
Uh,
the detailed review
Ugh,
found that
I still think we're not.
it's ugly.
between NASA and our industry partners. And the agency will report here the specifics,
There we go.
specific objectives of the Mark 3 mission in the very, very near future. The primary objective
So you took a long.
No, I should have. I thought about it, but didn't set up too clean. But
There's nothing clean right now.
launching in a coordinated fashion such that we can all meet up together in space at the same time and place. Of course, the all-around rendezvous and proximity operations with the
Even the diapers are dirty.
we wanted to work through
even the diapers are dirty.
operations. We would really like to test those surface suits. We'll be testing the critical lander systems and lander vehicle performance while in Earth orbit. And we'll be looking at performance of the lunar landing
Past it?
Look at this thing come down now. Come on.
Yeah. So we can get along out here. I mean, we could have looked at it short, but man, this is just like, I'm looking at this.
It's got to break the bottom for me.
This MQ, yeah. There's like,
Yeah.
it chopped up. I mean, there's no good entry here. And then it
If
comes
anything,
down.
we're looking for longs until we break that bottom. I think.
I think we've got equal opportunity in both directions at this point. All the way up to 473. Anyway, so I'm looking at that. I don't see any good clean entries there. And then I was looking at this ES. Maybe the ES gave you a little better entry, but then where if maybe here you took a short, and you just got targets off, and it's coming back on you. I don't know. We'll see. And now it's breaking down. So yeah, there's nothing clean here. Oh, I got some lag. Let me fix this. I thought, but yesterday posted certificate. Thanks to hey, yeah, Tom. Awesome. That's awesome, Tom. Great job. I thought Bo was saying something about a long flat. Okay. Yeah, this is longs. I don't know. That's the point I'm trying to make. Is that I don't think that this is kind
Coming
of
down to
the decision area, right?
right.
It's and I would not be opposed to a breakout short. I don't think I would be at all.
No, I would definitely look into a breakout short because it's
If it
hit
sets
this.
up right,
Yeah, it's hit this shelf right here a
I
couple
really don't
times.
think I'd be opposed to that at all. Yeah. And what time did it peak just down there? That was like early at 9 o'clock. Yeah, so it was selling before the market, so before the U.S. Open.
Yeah.
I think.
So I'm thinking longs unless we break this low here.
Yeah, I mean we probably could have looked at that long.
That is a valid entry there.
That's just nothing clean, man. I don't.
No,
I feel like
well,
this is one of those days where I can probably get a target every time, but then it's just gonna come right back, take my stop. Let's see here. Let me look at this chart. Yesterday morning, we were playing up here. I think get a level down here somewhere. Right there. Pretty good level. Yeah, there's so much junk back here. It's just, I mean, we probably still should be looking for that breakout on the short side based on prior price action.
I guess I'm wanting to set up.
Prior price action says that that needs to be something we need to be looking at.
Yep.
Okay. Well, I made my compromise.
I will take it if it comes down there. I'm okay with
it
that.
sets up right, yeah. Give me a little box, a little shelf, and I will take it out of there. Take it out of there.
Take it out of there.
Let's see, maybe.
Come on, does it break it? There it goes.
All right. ES isn't quite there yet.
There she goes.
Right now?
You had you had your Asian low right there. You had a lot right there.
Yeah, this is where I'm talking about.
Yeah. Got a break and hold before this. I mean, you could have jumped front run it at the Asian low and got that.
Oof,
No, wait, no.
Move, though.
Not really, because you got your what? You got your. Yeah, I guess you're right.
So this low is.
See what happens.
193, 24, 193.
See, that was 2021.
Right
there we go. Boom. Instant target off. There you go. That's how you do it. Doesn't get any easier than that. Only called it 20 minutes before it happened. See ya.
That's it.
About as easy as it gets.
Pretty darn easy.
Now just keep on crashing, people.
Go on, go
Why
on.
don't you come back up,
I was just saying this. I was like, get
you
on out of here.
little freaking
You little rat. You
little
know
rat
what?
bag? Come on.
There's a little winner. Target's off, by the way, just so the computer program can
Oh,
figure it
what, oh yeah, target's off. Yeah, I forgot about that. I was gonna say if you don't get your targets off by now, I don't know what you're holding for. There's a runner.
There we
Gone.
go.
See ya. I wish I'd have done it in both. I only did it in Q.
Me too. I wish I'd done it both as well.
But this is in minis, so this is what one and done.
That was an easy
Bye.
one. That was an easy one. Oh, you did it in minis? Ooh,
Heck yeah.
that's your eval.
That's the eval.
Well, there it is. I mean, I'm in it. In it to win it. I'm gonna pull stuff
Trying to
out
get
a
this
little
thing
bit.
trying to get this thing passed in 2 days. Oh no. Could pull my thumb.
Yeah.
I'm not giving it
Yeah.
back. I'm out.
No.
I'm
I
not.
can't do
I'm
it
out.
either.
I killed it.
I
I'm
should
not
have
giving any
tightened
of
it
this
up a
back.
little bit further than that.
Not gonna do it.
Nah,
All
not
right.
gonna do it. All right. Well, that accounts. That
Let's
$100
switch
account.
accounts.
So I'm switching accounts.
Let's do. Now I gotta switch to micros because that's PE.
When we get some clean swings back, I'll trade the micros again. I just want to make sure I'm being smart about my risk management.
Yeah.
Trying to be smart about my risk management. Smaller time frame setting up for a short up here. Smaller tick chart setting up for a short. I don't know if we want to do that. It did bounce pretty hard off that low there.
I'm looking.
That'd be like right now.
Oh, no wonder I had it on the wrong. I missed it. I had it on the wrong tick. I switched it over to 15 minutes to do some levels and didn't switch it back. Oh yeah, missed it.
It's all right.
Well, you're right at the Globex low though, so a break of that back down could run.
Well, that's what I was thinking is come up, reject that low, and then come back down, which it set up a little bit better on the ES, I think. Or the MES. But you can wait.
No, I'll take a break below here. You probably no, it's setting up for continuation. Getting jiggy here. What's up with that? Oh, 9:45. We had some news. That's what it was. It's short. Oh, what is that news?
Oh, yeah, man.
We got news. 9:45 news. All right, let's stay out of this.
Then 10 a.m. That's about it. Yeah, we're probably looking for the long out of here if we want to take a trade. It's a big long, though.
It's a big risk.
I could do it maybe with 2 contracts. Yeah, I think we try to look for the long out of here. Maybe a 2 contract. Maybe I just use my NQ. Don't risk too much there. And put a buy up here. Because if it goes above that, we got to go to the north side anyway. Yeah, I think that's a pretty little play right there. Should wait for that ES to bust out though. That's the only thing. It looks like it's going to though. Here it goes. Go. ES gonna go. Looks like it wants to. Looks like it wants to. I'm not gonna go to long leash though. I'll close it out and take a $12 loss. Oh, there you go. Target off. I'm big ballin'. Watch out, people. Watch out. Halfway want to look up and see that being micro. Watch out. Target off. Another winning trade. That's how you do it. Go and run for me. Butter. Gotta move my stop up just a couple ticks. Okay, I'll go and run. Maybe like what? 200 on the stop. That's close enough. Never mind. Flatsky. Oh well.
So she coming back down.
No steam in your.
No follow through.
Okay, we'll do another one next one. Wait for the next one set up. I'm not gonna keep doing those breakouts with 2 contracts. I'm at least do 6 MNQ. Still nothing on GC, nothing on CL, nothing on 6E. There might be a long coming up on 6E, but that price action is garbage over there. So you go and stay in your corner 6E. Nobody talking to you. Stay in your corner. All right. Now we definitely have to be looking short since that breakout didn't work. Didn't make all the way. Ooh, there we go too. Ooh. Don't want to chase this, but what do we think? Breakout again on the short side? They're just trying to knock on the door to knock it down?
I don't know.
Looks like somebody's trying to get a right ahead start for it. It's the only thing
I mean,
it's pretty heavy. I mean,
where? Just down, you talking about break of the low? Which is basically,
this little channel down on the ES daily too. Nice little trend line.
yeah.
How come I didn't notice that before?
Yeah, that is a pretty nice one.
We've got to be thinking down here at some point. We just got to get in short. Maybe we scale into the shorts on the MNQ or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna say.
But it could also come right down here and bounce right off this. So I don't know.
I don't think it's gonna go all the way back up though. I'm gonna set up to start scaling into MNQ shorts.
MNQ shorts.
Yeah, I mean we got like several areas back here. Like I said, when I look back at charts that break out to back here, there's just we got all the way up to 200-ish. Yeah, we need to be getting in that short somehow. We gotta be. Yeah. Next rally, I'm adding a micro.
Should we jump in at the break here and
Maybe.
then
I
just
mean,
add in
let's.
if it
I'm
comes
trying to
against us?
like think through this. I'm looking to see if they have anything below it, and I don't really have a lot down there. Just don't see a lot below this. You got so much selling pressure you could ru- add up on the daily and lower time frames back here. That yeah. Let's see what happens here. We get kind of a double bottom, ES and Q. If they bounce off here, then we can add an upside. If they break down here, then we gotta just get one in at least. And then
That's
let's
gonna
see. Looks
bounce.
like it wants to bounce.
That's gonna bounce. Yeah.
Looks looks like it wants to
All right, I
bounce.
gotta go.
Looks like it wants to bounce.
Man, I'm gonna have to.
I don't know. If it doesn't bounce, man, I gotta get one short at least. Yeah. Yeah. I'm watching ES. ES breaks that low. I'm gonna get at least one short here. I don't know what else to do. Or just chill and wait for a bounce. I don't think it's gonna. I mean, it's gonna be a bounce at some point, but.
I'm just not sold on the short right here.
Well, if the ES
I think this is
short's
gonna
there.
bounce.
I'm fine
We'll
with that.
see
Like I
what
said,
the ES does. See what the ES does.
ES has got to break this level here, and then it's got.
Like if anything, you got a long setting up here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It could be a double bottom.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, shut down from the crash yesterday still continues. That makes no sense.
Gotta take that. Yeah. That's looks yeah, it's definitely a double bottom here. There it goes.
Huh? Maybe I should have pulled the trigger on the long there.
Hmm. I did on the NQ.
I could tell by how you said it that
Yeah.
I could tell by
I
how you were
couldn't.
talking that you
I
should trade.
couldn't. Yeah, I couldn't. I could not think. It was just.
It's an easier setup on the ES.
Yeah, I'm looking at the ES now. I wasn't looking at the ES, but the ES was cleaner. But I was just looking at the NQ. But the NQ's working out, so I'm okay. Just wasn't sold on that break right there. Now, if it comes down there again, I would definitely be. So now maybe layer in.
Oh yeah, shit. Yeah,
You know,
let's
on
put
the NQ.
one. Let's put one.
I mean, I'll do it on another account. I'm long. Well, can I do that? I don't think I can do that. Can I do that? No.
No.
They might. They might. They might tag me if I'm long one and short another.
Really?
Yeah, you gotta be careful about
On
that.
different accounts?
Yeah, you got. I mean, same if it's the same company.
Oh crap! I do that all the time.
Yeah, yeah, you got to be careful about that because they call that hedging.
Oh, it's just good trading in my. It's like, but I already got into the long and made my money on it, and then I got into the short later.
All right, it's like I'm in this long here and I don't want to get out of it, but I wouldn't mind starting to layer in shorts and the micros on
Well, you got to
another
put your
account.
stop now at 171.
I'm at one. I'm underneath that. Yeah, I'm at 171.
This is a short setup on a smaller tick chart.
Hmm.
Let's see here.
I'm looking at the smaller tick chart and it's about to turn. All right, about to be
I
flat.
think 272. We could add another one.
Flat.
Oh,
And
wow.
there's your short.
Wow. Wowski.
All right, I gotta take a quick little bath and be right back.
Wowski. Oh, shoot.
Wow. Yeah. Did you see that the front of the plane was missing? What went through your mind at that point?
I didn't look. I didn't. It was so fast that.
Air Canada. All right, what was this? What's I trying to do here? Guys, post your winning trades. Let people see it. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Them's nice people out there. All right. Well, that was a good idea on the short. Now I gotta add higher. Took profit on that one contract after it stalled down here. Whole $50. $50 make it holla. Let's see. $60. There we go. I can bang out $60 at a time on the M&Q. I'll be okay with that. Let's see. Do I want to do it again? Do I add another M&Q up here? It kind of makes sense, doesn't it?
All right.
All right. There's your double bottom working out.
Mm-hmm. They took me out and took off.
Yeah. This would be my proverbial line in the sand up here on the ES around that 89 and that prior swing high. Above that, I'm thinking, let's reverse this. Put it in reverse, people. Do I want to add a micro?
And you're getting close to a trend line break on that NQ. Does it go? Does it reverse? I don't know why I'm just not feeling these shorts.
Well, maybe maybe you need a different size.
Yeah, kind of have to get. Maybe these are too tight. I'll try something else.
Maybe you need a bigger size. Okay, switch to that account.
Lead my scalp. Good job, Lulu.
Nice. Good deal, Pickle.
Lulu, you get paid from those things yet?
Yeah, making some money, making a free energy device.
Yeah, we're gonna celebrate when she gets that paycheck. Been working on that forever.
Working on it. Now, I will tell you, up around this pivot, 270 to 290, 300-ish on the NQ, I would be interested in shorts all the way up to there. Get a little swing breakout here on the GC. Maybe we'll get a short setup here in a little bit. I don't even know that CL is even moving today. It's been tired from the war. All its energy's run out. And ES.
ES and NQ.
Come up here around 605. I would love to see that. That's actually a better level than what I put in. Let me see that.
Breaking that trend line there.
No, that's a better level right there. You're right around 605. So I'd love to see that. That'd be a good trade I'd wait for that. Just like yesterday, be patient and wait for the trade you want. And so again, let's say say like 293. I'll put an ad up there for a contract. Let's go. Put an ad there for the short, and maybe they won't reverse it the entire way. Maybe won't go too much further than that. I don't think it's going to. That's a strong level up there. Might even be looking for a short out of here. This is where it broke out from earlier. Oh yeah, you could possibly look at a short from here. If it sets up right. What do you think? Now I'm looking at it. I'm like, this might
Trend
be.
line. Yeah. This is the right area. This is an area where it should.
I gotta change the accounts on this because I traded that account. Get this ready. I'm gonna try it if I can get there fast enough.
I think you got time.
I think we put it in. Blow that little ledge now. Blow that
Below
little
the
wick.
ledge.
Yeah. What's that low? That low is 92.75, so 92.50. I'm gonna do it in micros. There you go.
There it goes.
There you go. Target off. Ooh, instant target off.
Instant target off. Yeah.
Target off. Just got that account changed just in time to get her done, buddy. Get her done. Look at that. Look at this. Patient trading, paying off, doing things the right way.
NQ's going to go long though. NQ going up. I think he has two.
Oh, well, I mean, both of them
We're
broke
gonna
that
break them
prior swing
both.
high that I
I mean, it was a short. I mean, but we're also
well,
above that.
No, earlier I was saying if it breaks this prior swing high, I would change my mind to the long thought process. That was just a good setup on the short side.
24,300's the line in the sign from line in the sand for me for NQ.
Well, I was looking at this swing right here, like this push that came up to those low prior Globex lows and stuff. That swing above that, staying above that, says that's kind of like the floor for the day, which I thought that was going to end up being support. It just pushed a little bit lower on the ES and NQ. So if it comes back and it can't stay below those early morning lows, then we've got to be long off that. Treat that as like a level that to play the long off of. But what do I know? I'm guessing at this thing. I may have gotten lucky from once or twice.
You get lucky every now and then. Every now and then.
But I do have pretty strong conviction that this is going to be a short up here, even though we can play the long out of here.
Bro.
Saint Kitts and Nevis, Ukraine and UAE. As people, we dream. As leaders, we progress. As nations, we will build. Beginning today,
Alina Trump.
Is he talking?
Yeah. Fostering the Future Global Summit. I don't even know what that is. All right, let's see. We run to the restroom. I'll be right back. Holler at me when that short comes up here, because I don't think we can get the clean long, but I bet we get a clean short up a little bit higher. Yes, NQ. I told you I was confident about that RTY trade being a long too. I don't know if anybody took it. You'd have to take some heat.
Yeah,
from that,
RTY
but
would have worked. You took a
I
little
was
heat
confident on
though.
that being a long. I was really confident on that one being a long though. All right, I'll be right back.
Like right now, I don't think you can do anything. Oh, man. There we go. Well, let's see. And up she goes. And Q's heading to VWAP. It's a long up to VWAP, but it wasn't a clean entry anywhere. Hmm. Like a little slow creep up the VWAP, maybe. Getting a short setting up on, man, it's tough to take that, but you're getting a short setting up on ES right off VWAP. Yeah, I kind of like that.
Yeah, I do too. That's the level I wanted it at. That is. I said I bet you that we'll get a trade up here.
Uh-huh. And there'll be a break and hold below VWAP, so I like that. I like that a lot, actually. If it stays below
Yeah,
it,
I'm
we'll
gonna have
see.
my order ready to go, and I'll drop it if price action tells me.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do too.
Let's hang out here until it does. Would like to try to get that on the NQ as well, maybe. If it happens right.
Don't look as good on the NQ.
I wanted it
NQ's
a little
got
bit higher on the NQ, just a tad bit higher.
it looks like it's just creeping up the VWAP on the NQ, so which may keep the CS from coming down too. So
I got a second contract on the M and Q layering in up there, so I'd be okay with that. If it pushed just a little bit higher, yeah, let's cancel that.
like I actually want to just micro buy this thing up to the V. Up there it goes. Never mind. It's going to go quicker than I thought.
Take a micro on another.
Yeah.
This might be a little double top here. Let's just keep our maybe. If this comes with a push down, it's a breakout on the long side, isn't it?
Yep.
Let's see. I still think we got to be in the frame of mind of shorting this somewhere. I'm gonna do it in micro. I'm just keeping that micro contract ready to drop. The micros on the in the ES here. This is just the area that I've had for it to sell from that I wanted to sell the ES from, and if it breaks the bottom of this low here, you're almost got to be guaranteed targets.
Yeah, I like the break of that low for sure.
I'm gonna hold on to that. I'm gonna hold this here for a minute.
I mean, I'm putting 5 micros the
I
ES
got
if it
6.
shorts below that.
I got 6 micros. I
I
think it's
mean,
gonna. I think it's gonna work.
I do too. I mean, that's
It's
one
it's
I'm
good.
willing
It's a
to take
valid
a
little
risk.
setup here. Yeah, uh, I'm gonna put it in.
I'm willing.
Yeah, let's put this in.
I mean, true stop's got to be.
Yeah, that's why I'm doing micros. That's why you do micros. I mean, again, if it breaks this,
Well,
that's a good trade. That's why we use a big tick chart. And if it breaks out on the NQ again, it's going to be a good trade. Do I want to do that in micros too? All right, this is a deciding candle now. If this puppy comes down, if not, we maybe flip that thought and get a long in. It's trying to, isn't it?
it looks that way.
Yeah, I like it. I like it on the short side.
All right, well, you see what happens.
All right.
There it goes, instant target.
Off. Immediately target off there.
Instant target, brother. Instant target.
There we go. Oh, I'm new to this trading thing. How does it work?
Yeah, that was, you had to take that. It was, all right, we may not get more than that. Yeah, had to.
Take that trade.
Absolutely had to. All right, well, it may not be more than a scalp. Well,
eventually one of those will run. Eventually one of those will.
We do enough of them, they will run. All right, well.
Clean setups.
No loss. No big deal.
Oh, and it's going to keep going too.
There it is, yeah. Could have left that stop back.
I know. Yeah, should have pushed it back a couple ticks after that target. Oopsie doozy. Okay, that was a little mistake this morning. Little mistake. Somebody say steak. Oh, man. And you'd still be in on the NQ. I should have done that on the NQ. Well, stop mismanagement, that's all. Ooh. Dang. Dang. Oh, man, Paul, wish I was still in that. Booger Bear. That was a good one, too.
Booger Bear, he said.
Booger Bear, yes.
Official trading terminology. Booger Bear.
It is my official trading terminology, yes. Well, I'm green across the board, though.
Yeah, me too. So I'm going to take a break here a second and update some of these numbers. Make sure I'm not over my. Okay.
We'll rally up here. It just won't stay below that level. That gives me the comfort to make the longs, man. Or above that level to give me the comfort to make take the long trades. And that's a V bottom. You can't trade that. I got one more set of accounts I could trade, but that's about it. I mean, obviously a lot of my trades have been small, but I think you size down an environment like this to keep your profits.
Yep.
Do we think? Let's see, what time is it? Are we even at 10:30? We're not even at 10:30. Let's see what 10:30 train brings us. How about that? Take like a 10-minute break.
We could do that.
I don't know. This thing's moving, so
it's still tradable today. So
it is tradable. Pick and choose your spots. I mean, this would be a level that you could trade from ES and NQ here, because this is again back at those prior morning lows. Swing highs for the ES, so you're literally at a good level here on the ES. That's why I like this level a lot this morning. That's why I wanted to short it out of there, and I should have managed my stop a little bit better and would have been deeper into profits than we were. And I did predict it, right? I said, wait, we're going to get a really good short up here. We did. I just mismanaged to stop, dang it. Do we want to try to short this now? On the lower tick chart? Late.
Nah, I'm going to hold
Too
off.
late.
I'm going to hold off. I'm going to hold off. Although it was a valid short. But
Decent little valid short. Smaller tick chart set up. If we get a push that stays below these levels, then I'm back to shorting heavy. I'll switch back to, I'll do micros if we can get something that stays below these levels.
you mean minis?
Yeah, minis, sorry. Minis, micros, something, stuff. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh, I keep forgetting to do something. Okay. Well, I think my idea of taking a break might have been okay.
Right as you said that, the market kind of just exhaled.
It knows what to do.
I say, well, Brian's going on break. Might as well go ahead and take a break,
we'll
too.
Take a break. We'll take a break. Okay. Mr. Predicto, is the rest of the day going to be down?
It has been determined so.
All right, we're buying it.
We're looking for buys.
We're buying it. There's your official trading advice from Mr. Predicto. Official trading advice from Mr. Predicto. He is right, wrong 99% of the time.
He's right, wrong 99% of the time.
Yeah, you just do the opposite. Just do the opposite. Like, seriously, I was like, as soon as he said that, I was like, maybe we buy this right now. I thought about it. I was like, Paul, maybe we actually do buy this because it's not going any lower. Maybe we do buy it. Like, seriously, think about buying this.
Does that work the same way if your wife tells you what to do? You just do the opposite?
Oh, no. You know my wife.
No. I do whatever she says.
You know my wife. There's no doing that.
I'm trying to stay married, thank you. Hell no. You know what? You can tell he's a newlywed.
Yeah, there you go.
He still has a pair.
Good morning, everybody.
You still feel like you have an opinion.
Yeah. Well, no, my first marriage beat that out of me. So
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah, you did have some
Just
training.
stay in it long enough, you'll realize that your opinions don't matter.
You did have some training in advance.
I refer to that as my first sentence.
There you
First
go.
sentence. Hey, look at it as a training session.
Man caught 2 bids.
What was I going to look up here? There's something I was going to look up.
Tom, you catching these this morning?
I have not. I've been working with one of the members on getting him up and going. And
did we get Blackwater in? Did he ever get in?
He did not respond this morning.
He did not respond. Okay, well, all right.
There's only so many times we try that.
Yeah, I mean, at some point in time, it's
I think
on you.
we gotta start thinking. We gotta think on the buy side here. We've got to now. This has got to go a little bit higher, and then I would consider a breakout above VWAP and a pivot on the NQ, and that level I have on the ES is really strong. I consider a breakout above that. Obviously in micros at this point, but
100%. I wouldn't. I'm not even considering anything till it gets either up there or breaks the low. One of the two. This is like I have a no trade area for me because we've been bound. Look what we've been doing right around this, which is basically the Asian low. We've been right at just hovering above it. Just boom, boom, boom. I think if we get the VWAP on NQ, that's a good area to look. There we go. Go up there. Or we can play the range if you want to.
Well, I added in and out twice on that micro, and I flattened it after this last little low didn't.
I mean, if you're going to do that, I would lean towards the short side. I would start laying in short.
I did. I told you where I added everything.
Okay. Yeah. I said you could do that again. Probably you'll probably get that retracement back down.
I'll do it on a different account.
I'll do it with you.
I'll
do it with you.
Here, let me use that.
Go here.
Yeah,
let me go here.
Well, then I think the initial entry needs to be here then.
Yep, I'm literally hitting the buy button. I mean the sell button. Excuse me.
Yeah. And then we'll
whoa.
Up at again right around 300.
Oh no, that's right. Okay. Then probably another one at
290.
Yeah, 90 probably 90. Yeah, I think top of that little.
That's where I had it before. It didn't quite get up there, so I added on that little M structure that formed on the short we took on the ES. I added on the M and Q there.
All right. Well,
never mind.
It's going to be a winner regardless.
Yeah, there you go. Another target off winning trade.
There you go. Winner. Chicken dinner.
Dinners. Dude, that's going to run down and grab me some stuff. Let me set you up right. Buy stop market. Oh, you go. Phew, this is going to grab me. That was good. Fast, easy.
Yeah. Wouldn't even layer in. Fortunately, I put in 2.
I didn't get two in.
I started off with 2. My regular 2 contracts. So
I'm gonna pull my
got
stop
my one
down
off.
to this little structure here. I'll put a stop in too, just because that's the proper thing to do.
A little $100 micro trade, right?
Yeah, I mean it's hard to beat. That's it. On a day like today, I'll just keep getting $60, $70 at a time on micros. Fine with me. There you go. Get out of here. All right, flat ski on that one. I mean, I've pumped up about $500 so far in micros between the different accounts. It's not horrible. I mean, it's about the best you can do on a day like day, right?
Yeah.
What?
See, there has not gotten underway, so we're going to take this time to step away for a commercial break on Live Now from Fox, bringing that to you.
Arctic Frost, a modern Watergate.
First portion, of it as it does get underway. So stay with us. We'll be right back.
I think youth coaches, what they do.
Biden involved in a modern Watergate. All right, well, that was exciting.
Mm-hmm.
Is it 10:30 now? Nope, not yet. I'm still in the same frame of mind, man. If we pop above these early morning lows again, we probably need to start thinking buy. But it's again, okay. Let's just use that level in Q, using the level, pivot, and VWAP. Those are all in my level and VWAP there on the ES. If we can stay above that, we just kind of have to buy it. But if we don't, we need to be getting back in the shorts with the M and Qs.
Yeah, we could have done it again when it popped back up there.
Probably should have done it again. Well, they're definitely trying to sell this. Let's see here. Tom, wasn't trying to cut you off. I just wanted to talk about the trade we needed to get into there.
No, it's okay. I was just being cute. I do have something for the room is that I'd like to take a poll of everybody if they're using Discord, the app, or if they're logging in through the web, because it seems like that's where some people are having some issues.
I don't use the app.
Can you do polls in here like you do on YouTube?
I think so.
Can you put up a poll?
I'm not sure. I haven't dug into that, but let me jump back in with Dan here.
All right, cool. Let's see. I don't know. I don't see anything. Okay, never mind. I guess you can't. But you can make fun noises. I gotta add some noises to this thing. What's up, y'all? Anybody else get some of these trades that we're doing? I mean, we've been pretty relaxed this morning. I think it's been pretty easy to follow. Not like we're doing some kind of complex like quant study to get into a trade. Okay, I'm assuming you guys are doing good. Take a break around 11, I guess, and then come back maybe around noon. I got to take care of some things before the afternoon session. I'm not heavy green enough that I'm going to quit trading, that's for sure. But
no, I'm green, but I got more in me. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I mean, I got a couple accounts that are floating around 40, 50.
All right, do we want to start layering back in again?
Whoa, what? Whoa.
Yeah.
Huh? Let's say what now? Say what?
I just wonder if we wanted to start layering in again on this little push up here.
How many times do we do that?
Now it's looking like it wants.
No, I'm afraid to go short again because it can't stay down. We could, yeah, maybe. I mean, it's done it every time. You got a pretty good probability. Yeah, why don't we try one here? Whew, Paul.
I already did it.
I said I'd do it with your account.
Well, you did do it with my account because I'm already in it.
All right, I'll do one too.
I did the 2 micros, got one off, and it's just now I'm just seeing what happens here. There it goes. Boom, baby. Come on back down to the bottom. Another 100. This is going to be another $100 micro trade. Look at that. Couple $100 in 2 micro trades. Tell me you can't make money in micros.
No, this will be if it hits my target.
Look at this.
There you go.
Look at this. Look at this.
Got another one.
Yeah. Like a $120 trade if I factor in that first contract.
$600 on $600 so far. $650 so far in micros.
In micros. But you can't make any money in micros. That's why you got to trade 5 minis. It's the only way you can make money.
No, almost $700 in micros so far.
It's the only way to get paid.
Minis. You have to trade minis. Yeah, right. All right, that tickled my fancy for the morning so far. I got one account that's hovering at $20. Everything else is close to 100 or over. Oh, sorry. Never mind. I have 2 account groups that are down there, so I could trade those 2. Let's see. That one. Let me switch to that one. Let's do that one down here.
Taking off my little $100 quotas on all these.
Right?
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then I'm gonna this one on that account. Let's see that account. Yeah. Okay. I'm ready to go again. Oh no, that's the wrong account. That account. There we go. Reloaded. Let's see if we do this again. 10:30 yet?
Dude. Yeah, I'm so proud of my son. He's getting his first payout this month. He has definitely mastered this. Oh. Now we settle into this chop nothing. You lose Brian?
No, I had my mute on.
Oh. Finally got my son to get he was too scared to trade his PAs. Like he would pass evals like no problem, but then he would baby these PAs with like 1 micro. I'm like, dude, you're never gonna get paid. It's it's great to make 30, 40 bucks and be proud, but he finally decided to start trading. Now he's actually like 300 or 400 away from his first payout.
Hey, nice.
Like, I know. Pretty impressed. It's like, just trade it the way you trade your evals.
Yeah. Why not?
I think what did it for him is I showed him that spreadsheet that I sent you. He's like, oh crap, that's real money. I said, yeah.
It's real money, man.
If you can get to that point, you could be racking in some pretty serious dough.
Yeah. That's the idea here. That is the idea. The ideal idea.
This is chop.
Yeah, man.
Do we just want to take a break and come back?
I said that like half an hour ago.
You want to just take a break? What do you want to do?
10:33. Let's see here. Yeah. Let's take a 5-minute break. I need to step out around 11 for a little bit. So
RD?
I was
Okay.
kind of sitting around.
Oh, we can hang. You want to hang around till 11? Then we'll just take a break at 11?
Yeah, let's do that. Let's take an hour break at 11.
Yeah, we can do that. We may not do anything till 11, but we can stick around.
Yeah. Most likely. I mean, again, I'm green across the board.
Me too. Yeah. I got no complaints.
If I see something real juicy, we take it. If we don't see something real juicy, we sit on the sidelines. Talk about this Arctic frost investigation.
What is the Arctic frost investigation?
It was a Biden era FBI.
What old Sleepy Joe do now? Does he even know he did it?
It was the 2020, probably not. It was the 2020 presidential election FBI thing, and there's some kind of scam going on with it. Oh, okay. OJ special counselor. They're looking for call records. All right, so basically weaponizing the FBI for political gain.
No, that's never happened before.
No kidding, right? Ain't nobody
What?
done that before.
Presidents using the power of the U.S. government for their benefit? Nah.
I don't They would not do something like that.
No, not in this country.
Even old Sleepy Joe.
Not old Sleepy Joe. He did it. He probably just doesn't know he did it.
He
did it. He just has no clue that he did
No
it.
idea it happened.
Guilty as hell. Just doesn't know it.
Poor guy.
Listen, that man's on some beach eating ice cream, not a care in the world. Doesn't even know it. Probably doesn't even know he was president.
Probably doesn't know he's on the beach. He's probably
That
just
too.
in his mind doing that.
That too.
You could just put like a ocean sound machine and some sand under him. He'll think he's at a beach.
He'll be like, "This place is nice."
He's in some kind of jail cell somewhere. Man, we could have done it one more time on the micros.
Yeah, but
Look, if it stays down this time, I have the same opinion on the upside as I do the downside. If it stays lower, like you literally draw a line in the middle of price action today and say if it stays above that line, I'm a buyer. Staying below that line, I'm a seller. Like literally right at 240 on the NQ, somewhere around there, and on the ES, right at this level it's at right now. Stays above 605 on the ES. Stays below it, seller. It's pretty simple. We can handle that. If it does go lower here in a couple minutes, I'm thinking about doing the micro short again and looking for down there at the lows. We get some kind of decent little breakout set up. I'd take that on the short side too. All micros though, because I can't trade out of this garbage with minis.
yeah, it's just.
See if it happens before I have to step out for a minute. I think we do it. It's tempting to put that micro on now, isn't it?
Just could come down here and just bounce right back up to the top. It's the only problem. I just don't have a lot of faith in this. I almost want to got to let it break out, swing out.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to try to get in a trade. Ill-advised trade, especially since I'm green across the board. Patiently wait. The stadium was cool too. They had a bunch of stuff. It's like
What stadium? Where was it?
Pittsburgh Stadium in Bradenton, Florida.
No. Okay.
Nice little drive across the Skyway.
Is that their? That's not their trading. Is that their facilities?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's cool. I can't believe you don't believe in aliens, Paul. Where you been? Where have you been?
Anyway.
Paul, you don't believe in aliens?
Yeah, no, he doesn't.
Yeah. I'm sure some of you are aliens.
Probably.
What was that? What was that movie that was it the wrestler made where he put the glasses on and he could see
Men in
all
Black?
No. Roddy Piper. We're talking an old movie.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
You know what I'm talking about, right? Where you put the glasses on and you can see him. Gotta love that man. He was awesome.
Roddy Piper.
Roddy Piper.
It's almost just a bad acid trip.
Yeah, that was the worst produced movie in the world, but man, it was good to watch.
Roddy Piper.
Basically just a wrestling match and then made into a movie. He would just go around kick everybody's ass.
Is that what he did? I don't think
You
I've
ever seen that movie?
Uh-uh.
Oh, you gotta watch it. It's
I
called.
probably did when I was younger, but
It's what did they? Oh, what is the name of that movie? You got to see that movie. It's hilarious. If you're a Roddy Piper fan, then
of course I am. Hacksaw Jim Duggan. Andre the Giant.
Oh, yeah, Andre.
Screw Arn
You're
Anderson.
talking-
Except for Arn Anderson. That guy's
They live. 1988. They live.
They live from 1988.
Yes, John Carpenter directed it.
Oh my god!
Oh, you got to watch it. You got to
I'm so
watch it. I'm
excited.
telling
Oh
you.
yeah, it's gonna be the first thing I watch.
It is definitely worth the watch. I mean, it is the cheesiest ass movie you ever seen in your life. But if you just like seeing him walk around, be a badass, and kick people's butt,
You want to try to
kick
do another
alien ass.
micro up here?
Oh
No,
man, you're
not
gonna make
this
me
time.
do this, aren't
Not
you?
this time. Up to
I'll tell you
man.
what. If you
it
let
sets
it come
on a
up
smaller
to the
tick chart.
top and doesn't break, I'll take it.
Okay.
If we get a rejection on the smaller tick chart, well, what's the big chart?
Like an M or something on the smaller tick chart, we could do it.
Yeah, if we get something that looks like a setup on the on the small tick chart, I'll take it.
Okay.
I just have a feeling one of these times I'm going to get in, this thing is going to
It's
bust.
gonna bite you in the ass and take off to
Yeah.
the upside.
All right, if it drops below this Asian low, it's been basically going above and below this all day. So if it drops
That's
below
literally what I
2250,
said,
I'll go
draw the
short.
line.
2250, I'm short. There you
2250?
go. Yep.
It's below it.
No, it's not. It's at 29, 28.50. Oh, you talking about the ES? I'm talking about the NQ. What are you talking about? ES?
I'm at 24,234. Oh, you meant 22. Okay, got you. You're
20.
talking about
I'm
50
at
cents. I don't
50
use-
cents, yeah.
I
Yeah,
don't
22.5.
I don't use ticks on the NQ because it's just like whatever.
Okay.
A point is a point. It's like
Okay, if it
knows
drops
the
below
whole point in
23,
like
then
2 seconds.
let's see what it does up here.
No,
See if it doesn't. If it breaks above this, then we're done.
At some point,
I'm
we gotta
not.
start thinking long, or take the
Yeah.
break for the morning and come back this afternoon.
I think it's going to be more like take the break for the morning and come back. But I mean, it's been a pretty darn good morning, even
All
with
things
the
considered.
micros.
Yeah, all things
A
considered.
$600 micro morning. I mean, shit. I don't know what else you
The
want.
last one got me to, almost 700. Yeah.
See, I'm 1, 2, 3, 150 was 450, 148, 5, 600. I'm not quite at $700. $680.
We're almost
Six roughly
almost-
ish.
We are almost
Ish.
identical on that.
Ish.
I'll be happy with that this morning, considering this price action. You want to do it or not? This is setting up.
All right. All right. There. Now I'll take it. Now I'll see it bounce right off that damn thing. All right. The hell, it's a micro. I got money to burn. Let's do it.
Let's see.
I can't push the button. I can't push the button. Let it go up a little higher. When it comes back up to the top up here again. I don't like that it's holding
I'll
this
sit
right
on
here.
sidelines. It's fine.
Yeah.
I mean, again, we're 10:44.
All right.
We could
All
just
right.
call it a morning now. You
All
want
right,
to do it now? Shit.
Yeah, I
I'm
mean, it's
not-
the
I'm
top. We
afraid
said
of
if it comes
now.
up to the top.
Looks like they want to push it up higher now. I'd be
Yeah,
more
I
interested
can't
in
do it
buying
now.
buying the
Yeah, I
micro.
can't do it. Can't
Yeah,
do it.
I don't
Can't
think you
do
should
it.
do it. We've done that 3 times so far this morning. That's
Yeah.
we should have done it like 4 times, 5 times, but 3 times. 3 times a lady. Look, that's enough. We probably should be buying this on the way up.
Sure looks like it. Maybe we reverse it and buy into it. You want to do that?
Let it get a little lower and take the next long signal.
Mhm.
Or buy now and buy down at the lower area. Yeah.
Gonna come back to that 23 again.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
so
don't
the
wanna get my
layer,
money back.
the short would have worked.
I know, but I don't want to get my money back. I'm sitting here looking at this green across the board, being like, I'm just going
This
to
is-
play with micros
this
to
is,
get some money back.
yeah, this is the prime example if you're sitting around bored and you're trying to make up trades
Yeah.
instead of taking legitimate trades.
Well, I mean, on the smaller tick chart, that's a short, and you can do it with micros. I mean, that is a short on the smaller tick chart. And it would have worked now. Yeah, the moment I
goes.
become a spectator is the moment where I'm like, yeah, it should have worked, could have worked. And as soon as I start doing that, I'm like, wait, you need to stop trading. I think we're done. Let's be done for the morning, Paul.
I think so too. Let's walk
We'll come
away.
back this afternoon, and if we get some clean swings, trade it. If not, we've had a good morning, good day. Any of you guys have any questions? Any of you guys want me to talk about something before we go? Got about 10 minutes. I can hang around for 10 minutes. Tom, you want something? You want me to talk about something trading wise?
No, I'm good. I'm still helping Dan.
Okay. All right, Dan. Tell Dan I said hi. All right. Well, in that case, let's call it morning.